Office in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, western Dickinson County in northwestern Iowa, northeastern Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern Clay County in northwestern Iowa, northern O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa, southwestern Jackson County in southwestern Minnesota, southeastern Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Little Rock to near Matlock, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sibley and Ashton around 7 p.m. Melvin around 7:15 p.m. Cheaton around 7:20 p.m. Round Lake and Harris around 7:25 p.m. Lake Park around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bigelow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon, Sioux, O'Brien, Clay, Dickinson, and Osceola, and the following counties in Minnesota: Nobles and Jackson.